Welcome to the Best Picks. The best framing nailer is probably one of the most important power tools for any serious DIYer, contractor, or construction worker, and choosing the right one can be overwhelming with so many options available. This video will guide you through the top-rated framing nailers on the market, comparing their features, performance, and overall value to help you find the perfect tool to meet your specific needs and budget, whether you're building a deck, framing a house, or tackling any other woodworking project. Number 5. NuMax SFR 2190 Framing Nailer. This pneumatic nailer is built for a variety of construction jobs, from framing to fencing. It's powerful, durable, and easy to use. It's perfect for framing, subfloors, roof decking, and more. You can even use it for building pallets and fences. It drives 21-degree plastic collated framing nails, ranging from 2 to 3 to 12 inches in length and 0.113 to 0.131 inches in diameter. Its one-piece hardened steel drive blade makes it incredibly durable and resistant to damage. You can rely on it for years to come. The anti-dry fire mechanism prevents damage, and the NuMax safety tip protects your work surface. It's designed with your safety in mind. Switch easily between single and bump firing modes for precision or speed. Adjust the nail depth without tools for different materials. What we like. It's built to last with a hardened steel drive blade, resisting damage on tough jobs. The tool-free depth adjustment lets you precisely set nail depth for various materials. If you need a durable and versatile nailer for various projects, this is the one for you. What people say. It's still small enough for tighter places with only 2 or 2-3/8 nails. It pounds those 3-1-2 nails like butter. The adjustment for the length is a big help for lining everything up before final nailing. I used this gun to build an ADU, still working okay after heavy use in 2 months. Solid like expensive nail gun. Number 4. Metabo HPT NR90 AES1 Framer. This framing nailer is a professional's dream. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making your job easier. At only 7.5 pounds, it's perfectly balanced for effortless maneuverability. Say goodbye to fatigue. It's ideal for various tasks, from flooring and framing to roof decking. It's your go-to tool for any construction project. This nailer allows for quick changes between sequential and contact nailing with a simple switch. Get the job done faster and more efficiently. Adjust the depth of your nails easily and without tools. It's perfect for countersinking or flush driving into various materials. It handles 2-inch to 3 to 12-inch plastic collated framing nails. You'll be ready for any job. This nailer has been rated the Pro Preferred Nailer for 7 years running by Builder and Developer magazine. It's a tool you can trust. What we like. This lightweight and well-balanced nailer reduces user fatigue, making it easy to maneuver. The tool-less depth adjustment ensures precise nail placement. If you value ease of use and professional results, this award-winning nailer is a great choice. What people say. This metal nailer is robust and well-built, handling 3-inch nails with ease. Throughout the entire project, I experienced no jams. He has put over 2,000 nails through the gun without a single misfire or jam. Shot at least a 100 ring nails so far. For the last few weeks it has been working great. No misfires, no jams, lightweight, no issues at all. Number 3. DEWALT DCN 692M1 Nailer Kit. This framing nailer is a game changer for professionals. Its dual-speed motor and tool-free adjustments make it incredibly versatile and efficient. It easily handles a wide range of fasteners, making it perfect for various applications. You'll get the power and precision you need for any job. Switching between sequential and bump fire modes is simple and quick. Adjust the depth of the nail drive without any tools for perfect placement every time. It features a stall release lever to easily clear jams. The easy access nosepiece makes nail removal a breeze. It also includes an adjustable rafter hook for convenience and a dry fire lockout to prevent misfires. It's designed for ultimate productivity. This nailer is built to withstand tough conditions and provide years of reliable performance. Upgrade your workflow today. What we like. This cordless nailer offers the power and convenience of a 20V max battery. Tool-free adjustments make it easy to customize settings, and the dry fire lockout prevents damage. If you prefer cordless power and ease of use, this is a solid option. What people say. I built a 400 square foot cabin with this using 2 different length DEWALT nails. It was a workhorse. I used 6 batteries and I was getting almost a full day of hard use out of a single charge. The gun works great. People with bad reviews are complainers because they are comparing this gun to a pneumatic nailer. This gun works great for framing. Works as advertised, cut my build time in half. Number 2. Metabo HPT NR83A5 Framing Nailer. This framing nailer is built for professionals. Its powerful drive mechanism ensures fast, efficient work. Adjusting the depth is simple and quick, no tools needed. Get consistent nail placement every time. It's been the top choice of professionals for nearly a decade. See why it's a favorite among builders. Choose between contact and sequential firing modes. It adapts to your work style. Customize it to your preference. The rafter hook is easily repositioned for comfort and balance. The rear-loading magazine makes reloading fast and simple. Minimize downtime and maximize productivity. This magazine is designed for long life and easy replacement. It's built to withstand tough job sites. The rubber grip provides excellent comfort and control, even during extended use. Reduce hand fatigue and improve accuracy. We stand behind its quality. Enjoy peace of mind with our 5-year warranty. What we like. Experience fast, powerful nailing with its innovative cylinder valve drive mechanism. The selectable trigger mode offers flexibility for various tasks. If you prioritize speed and efficiency, this nailer is a great option with a 5-year warranty. What people say. Same nail gun as Hitachi, just different name. These guns last and are very easy to fix if broken. Its toolless depth adjustment makes it easy to switch between tasks. The build quality is top-notch, and the 5-year warranty is a nice bonus. Easy to use, not too heavy, sounds how it should, very durable as well, and has a lot of power. Number 1. Paslode XP Framing Nailer 906300. This cordless framing nailer is a game-changer for professionals. It's powerful, efficient, and designed for ease of use. It drives nails flush, even in the toughest hardwoods. Say goodbye to frustrating jams and hello to increased efficiency. Its compact design allows it to fit easily into tight spaces. You'll navigate any job site with ease. With a single charge, it delivers thousands of nails. It's powered by both battery and fuel cell for ultimate performance. Weighing in at only 7.2 pounds, it's comfortable to use, even for extended periods. Plus, it performs reliably in cold weather. It works in temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can work year-round. No more worrying about weather delays. What we like. This cordless framing nailer offers unmatched convenience with its battery and fuel cell power. Its compact design makes it ideal for tight spaces. If you need a powerful, portable nailer for various applications, this is the one for you. What people say. Does a great job and much lighter than what I've used before. I don't always read all the directions right away, but once I realized how the depth control worked, it was easy to deal with different materials and thickness. Went through 750 nails in a flash and my arm hardly noticed. This little thing is a beast. I bought it because I was going to replace my old fence around my 2-acre property and looking for something portable and cordless. After reading how to properly use it, I was very impressed. I also built a privacy fence around my backyard closer to my house. I used 3.5, 2 3/8, and 2-inch nails, and this did the job in more than half the time and a lot safer. One trigger pull and the nail goes in where you want it. I have some walls to build and other construction projects planned around the farm, and this tool is worth its weight in gold. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.